In this video, we are going to learn how to convert the Python py file to an executable without console. So previously we have worked on this folder where we have created this executable, but the problem is every time we are executing this program, the console is also appearing. Now, in order to create the application without a console, first of all, we have to delete these folders. Now we have to start the command prompt in the same working directory. Now on the command prompt, I have to write py installer and then mention the name of this file. And within that, between that, we have to mention no console, no console argument. Now run it. It will take some time and it will create few folders on that directory. Now once done, go inside the dist. Here inside the main, there is an executable application which is exe file. Here you can see that it has an exe extension. Now just run it. Now here you can see that we have the notepad application which do not have a console added to it. So I can just simply type. If you want to convert it into a single file only, then you can simply go ahead and delete this and do it once again. Just delete all of it. And this time we are going to add the same thing, that is so this time we are going to add the same thing, that is one file, one file. So we have two parameters in our console this time. One is one file and another one is no console. Run it. Wait for some time. New files and folders will be created in the same directory. And then go inside the dist. Now you can see we have only one file over here. If I'll just run it, the application will be executed. Now, one thing that you can notice that right now, if I am clicking on this, this is a ready application which starts working. There is no installation or nothing. The user needs to place this thing manually on his system. In the next video, we are going to learn how to package this software, and that will be an installable package. That means user will be able to install it on the system the way we do with the other softwares.